Right? So everybody is looking name to explore life person. I'm not famous. So good morning, good morning, good morning guys. How are you all of you? I hope you are great, you are fine. So just we can see we have arrived, reach it's a Ballabgarh means it's very market area, yeah, very famous area, and everything I have to explain about this place. Means in the market right now. I am in the market available. You can see what is going right now, and as well as we have to learn English in this purpose because we want to speak English fluently and confidently because nowadays English is most important in the entire on the world level, like mostly important in the private field, private job, yeah, private field you can speak. So just we have reached here. You can see this is a bus stand, this is a bus stand, and there are a lot of buses here. These all are buses, and there are many person available here, and they are talking to each other, yeah, someone to call. And there is a metro station, okay, Vallabhgarh metro station, not district, metro station. I am standing under the tree. It's a tree. It's called pillar. It's called, okay. And as well as this is a bus, red bus, bridge. We are standing under the bridge right now, under the bridge, okay. And this is shop, Pani Puri shop. I hope you know everything I have to explain, okay. In this purpose I have came here. There are a lot of person, okay. These are eating, and this is your cover shop, a smartphone cover you can buy. And these are pie means samosa, I think you know. This is a bread plate, and it's called, I don't know, tanker, water tanker. And these all are auto, okay. So we have to go there, and everything I have to visit. Our lots of bread. These all are bread. How are you, bro? Fine. Okay. अब क्या आप यही सब बेचते हो? ठीक है. हम ना थोड़ा एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश में आपको समझ नहीं आएगा बाय बाय. Okay, so friends, I talked to him in Hindi. Okay. Big, and if you want to buy, so you can buy. Okay, friends, I meet my friends, so I started talking to them. Okay, no problem. You can see these all are shop, means belt shop, yeah, t-shirt. If whatever you whichever, no, not whatever, whichever you want to buy, so you can buy, and you can carry from here. Okay, like this we have to enjoy, and everybody available, and every shop available under the bridge. Okay, so let's go there. That side we walk from this place, this way. Okay, we are operating the mobile. We are using it's so you can speak using, yeah, operating. Okay, we have to go from here. We are crossing the road. Yeah, we crossed the road. This is a big bridge, big bridge, long bridge. Under the bridge, we are available under the bridge. This is a market, very famous market, and everything available here. And I have to explain every goods. Means clothes shop I have to visit, and I have to visit rosary shop, yeah, grocery shop. Okay. If you want to polish your shoe, so you can polish here. Okay. So go. So finally, guys, we crossed the road. You can see, and this is the banana. Okay. and this is the apple. Like you can speak how how much are apple per kg. If you want to ask to the stopper, so you can explain like this. Okay, and go there like this. This is your gava. Gava. I hope you must.
ये अमरूद देख रहा, अमरूद वाले का तो फोटो लो यार, तेरे आप पौवा लगाए गर्मा गर्मा भी।
This is banana, and this is a orange. Orange. You like orange or not? Okay, but I like. Okay, like this. This is guava and orange, and it's called papaya. Okay, this is orange. This is a banana. Okay, so you can see like this. We have to explain. This is a pineapple and tomato, carrot, this turnip, ginger, and peeled orange. Okay, this. Like this. We have to explain. Okay, only we have to explain. This is a juicy grinder, like this carrot, and you know what is the name of this? Imblic, lemon. Okay, so go from here. That side we have to go in the market. Okay, like this big best market. They are decorated in a very fantastic look. Go. Okay, yeah, biscuit. Yes, white. Cameraman. I'm cameraman. Okay, this is it's called. Okay, these all are chips. It's shop. Grocery shop. Apple, and this is the chips. You know what is the English name? Pomegranate. Pomegranate means apple like this. Okay, no problem. Let's go from here. Let's go. Everybody is looking me. Why? But I'm looking to someone. Okay, no problem. It's called sapodilla. Like this. It's called sapodilla. Oh, like this. You know this name? Tamarinda. It's called dates. Okay, everything I have to explain. I have to explore everything because I'm a blogger, English speaker, and we are learning. So that's why important. Okay, so we have to enter from here. Okay, this name. Cucumber. It's the onion. No, I'm explore. नहीं थोड़ा इंग्लिश में इसको बोल रहा हूँ, समझा रहा हूँ. It's name cilantro lips. Okay, and its name Spanish. Its English name sweet potato, Indian sweet potato. Okay, like this. Okay, go from your onion, tomato, like this onion, and this is a beetroot, sweet cucumber, carrot, ginger, green chili. Its name camblic ginger. Okay, go. It's called cauliflower. Capsicum. It's called capsicum. Like this. Capsicum here. Okay, bro. I'm exploring English. It's broccoli. Yes. It's called broccoli. उठाइए थोड़ा. नहीं उठाएगा. Yes, it's called broccoli. Okay. Green fish. Okay. And it's called gourds. नहीं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ. And its name cabbage. It's called name cabbage. English name cabbage. Okay, no problem, bro. So let's go from here. Okay. This is the market if you want to explore like this and remember the word meaning. So definitely you can improve your English skill like this. This is important. Okay, whenever you visit the in front of the many person, so you don't get more nervous, and slowly you can remove your hesitation like this. So like this you can see everything I think I explored.
हाँ भाई बैगन 40 है, बैगन 40।
Brinjal, like this. Its name radish. Yeah. इंग्लिश में ब्लॉग्स बना रहे हैं।
लोग बना लो या भाई ये फेमस
नहीं फेमस है, वो फेमस है आदमी। He's famous person. I'm not famous. Okay, like this. You know its name? It's called pumpkin. It's called pumpkin. You know, it's called pumpkin. Pumpkin. Uncle, how are you? Okay, everything. Radish, big radish. Brick, broccoli. Red chili. And it's called bitter gourd. Turnip. Beetroots. Okay, like this I explored many English words and vegetable word meaning. So how did you like by watching this video? Please comment me also. Okay, so let's go from here, and like this I have to explore many kind of places, and I have to improve my English skill. Okay, so let's go. I would like to meet you another video, with a new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, take care.